Oh, I do love Zetra. Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Get out my room! Out my room, please! Fuck. Right, guys, the fuck? Right, so that's one. That is that one done. Ring ding 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 ding. 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 Ring ding ding ding. I don't know where I'm gonna fucking put all this stuff, man. Oh shit. Fucking hot's in my mouth. The plain band as well. Stick that on there. Oh shit, that one's falling off. Put you on. Oh shit, no, I got it stuck. Oh, why did I do that? What's wrong with me? Seriously, I've got it stuck. Oh, fuck a duck. Right, I've got it off. Cookie crumble. No, actually, see if they've got any of the orange arrows. No. Oh, they're sickly. You know the crispy ones that have got Rice Krispies in? Galaxy. And if they haven't got any of them, get me cookie crumble. First, Rice Krispie. Second, cookie crumble. Third, orange. No, third, mint arrow. Make sure you write it down because you'll come back with a fucking packet of crisps for me. First, Krispies. Second, cookie crumble. Third, mint. And if they haven't got any of them, phone me. Phone me. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to give these a little swatch. I'm dying to see what the colours are like because I really want to use it and do a set of nails, but I need to know what the colours are like. So these were bought for me by my good friend Cami. Most of you will already know, but if you don't know, Cami's got her own YouTube channel, Nails by Cami. I'll leave it pinned in my description box. If you love bargain hunting and AliExpress hauls, then you will love Cami's channel. She does the most amazing, massive AliExpress hauls. She's the AliExpress queen. So yeah, if you love your AliExpress little bits and bobs, you'll love Cami's channel. I've recently, some of you'll know, some of you don't know, but this last month has been shit for me. Yeah, it's been a really hard month. And not just Cami, all my friends, they've all been amazing. They've all rallied round and picked me up off the floor, so to speak. And yeah, Cami bought me these. These were on my wish list. So she obviously went and had a nosy on my wish list, bless her. And she bought me these. I'll leave the link to these below. They're off Amazon. As you all know, or some of you all know, I've been getting really into my hard gels, builder gels, and I love the McCourt builder in a tube, and that's what these are, builder in a tube. So this is the brand Gellen. So it comes with 6 tubes. I think they've got 2 sets. They've got a nude set and another set, I think, that's got pink and white and clear. I'm not sure, but this is the set that I wanted. This is the nude set. So it comes with some dual forms as well. Let's have a quick nosy at these. Also, it's showing you there, like, you can use them as dual forms or full cover tips, and you can use them to stick gems and stuff on as well. Cool. Right, let's have a look at these. They look like the good ones, actually. They don't look like the claw ones or the flat ones. Yeah, these are alright, these ones. Oh, can you see? They're not like a claw. They're not overly curved. They're just a really nice little shape. I like them. Cool. Right, so yeah, these are not polygels, although they look like polygels. They're builder gels. Builder gel in a tube. Strong, long-lasting, easy to apply, better to shape. So yeah, they always come with a little really skinny little nozzle. And it is just, oh shit, it is just builder gel. So I'm just going to give them a quick swatch today. Like I said, I really want to use them. And I need to see what the colours are. So they've all got numbers on the top. 028, 024. Oh, they're different colours. Numbers and different colours. So let's get them out and let's get them swatched. Right, so these numbers, they're not in any particular order. They're all different numbers. So I'm just going to go through them as they are. So I'm going to start with this one, which is 028. So yeah, this set is the nude set that they do. And does it say how long you have to cure them for? Let's have a look. Yeah, so just like normal builder gel, you have to cure it for 60 seconds. So yeah, you don't really use a brush with these. You just use a nozzle. Oh, this is a nice nude colour. Yeah, I wanted the nude one because I've got quite a few pink builder gels. And I really haven't got any nudes for nail beds and just nude sets. Now I'm only going to do a thin layer. Because obviously the small tubes, I don't want to waste it. I just want to see the colour. This is really difficult to get it inside. Because these swatch sticks are curved. So I'm just going to use the nozzle and fill this swatch stick. Yeah, not recently, a couple of months ago now, I did a snakeskin set using a builder in a tube from my car and I loved it. So I can't wait to do a set with these. It's quite difficult. I really like the colour of that. Really kind of... It's a really difficult colour to describe actually. It's just, I'd just call it nude. Innit? Right, let's get that cured. Right, I just stopped to stick the numbers on these because I'm going to forget what they are. Right, I'll do this one more with you. And I'll just speed through the rest. One thing I have noticed with builder inner tubes, even the McCart ones, they do have a little clear layer sometimes at the top that you have to just squeeze out. The McCart ones had that as well. I don't know why, but they just do. So here we go. Let's do another. Oh, I'm going to be so happy with these. I've needed nude builder gels for so long. Like I said, all mine are pink. I've got a couple of nudes, but they're quite dark nudes. So these are going to be perfect. They do take some getting used to. But if you just persevere and get used to them, like I did, they're really enjoyable and so easy to use. That's another nice nude. Really nice skin colours, aren't they? Really nice skin colours. And it's so smooth and creamy, no bubbles, nothing. I love it. Right, I'm going to get through these now, stick some music on. Right guys, that is them all swatched. Oh my gosh. I love every single one of them. Exactly what I wanted. Obviously they were what I wanted on my wish list. You know what I mean though. I've just been needing nude nail bed colours in a builder gel, and I love these builders in a tube. They do take a bit of getting used to, but once you're used to them, they're so quick, they're so easy. You don't need a brush, there's no clean up, nothing. They really are worth getting used to. I've given the back of them a quick top coat because obviously it's a gel, it cures with a tacky layer, and they're really pigmented, really opaque. None of them are transparent, and they are very, very thin layers as well. Like, look at this really pale creamy one. I haven't got anything like that. Perfect, absolutely perfect. So now I've got swatches of them and I know what they look like. I can decide what I want to do with them. I haven't got a clue yet, but definitely going to use these and do a design today, later today or tomorrow. Obviously you won't see it for a couple of weeks. But yeah, that's them. I really, really like them. I will leave the link below to this set. Like I said, I think they've got a set that's got a white, a pink, a clear in it as well. I'm not sure. But thank you, Cami, so much. Thank you for just being a friend recently. I've really needed it. I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you so much. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I am going. I'm well happy with them. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.